Good evening, everyone. In this tutorial, we'll learn a very important topic in Python, list. List is an object of Python where data is stored. For example, fruits is a list. We have to give a square bracket to write list of objects. Apple pears. For example, we have written for data in fruits list. Now print fruits. It will be printed as a list of 4 objects. Now if we want to add another fruits, we have to fruits dot append q. What happened? Q is added at the end. We can remove object from the list. Fruits dot remove pears. Pears is removed. We can also remove using pop function. It will remove the last object. Say if we write another pops function, it will remove another last object, banana. We can find the index position of every object. Fruits dot index apple. So we can find the index position of any object in list. For example, we want to find the index position of orange. So print fruits dot index orange. See the index position 1. Apple, the index is 0. We can multiply the list. Print fruits into 2. Say apple, orange, banana, pears, apple, orange, banana, pears. So this is the end of this video. We have learned how to write the list, how to append, how to remove objects from the list. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.